let's go crazy right here. What you talking about? Yes, sir. Woohoo! God, I love this freaking car, bro. Oh, you guys hear those burbles back there, though? What's going on, you guys? How good of an idea is this? Probably a really bad one, but it has been raining for the past, I don't know, whole day. It's supposed to rain until tomorrow. I'm bringing back a little, you know, drive in the rain, so stay tuned. You guys see it right here. You guys see the BMW for 40,000. It hasn't actually been moved. You can actually tell that it hasn't been moved because of, you can even see it. Oh, can you? Look at that. That's from the rain, and that's how you know it hasn't been moved in a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in the V and start this little POV drive for you guys. But I'm moving my cone because, hey, that's what keeps you safe a little bit at least. This is my other car, but I gotta grab something from here and we should be good to go. So thank you guys again for 1,000 subscribers. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, subscribe. This car hasn't been on in like 3 days, guys. Since the last video I posted, this thing hasn't been on. So I'm gonna sit in here for a little bit, let it heat up, warm up, and then we can go from there. So all right, you guys, let's get this party started. This is probably not the best idea, bro, because there's probably like floods everywhere because it has been raining for a full 24 hours now, and it's gonna be raining all the way until tomorrow. So we're gonna try to, you know, not go where all the puddles and all that stuff is, but you guys know me, man, I never see nothing. So we're gonna be careful and just see what's up, man. Have some fun out here for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? We have a little bit of gas, so we should be okay. You know, 95 miles should be plenty of gas for today at least. Let's go this way, man. Actually, let me put the map because I need to know where the cameras and stuff is at. And as a matter of fact, we're also gonna be going ahead and popping it into sport right away. Let's go crazy, make some noise, and yeah, go from there. So we're gonna keep tractions on though. Even though when I do have traction off, I don't really have any problems anyway, but better safe than sorry, right? So guys, I also connected my dash cam, so let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see some dash cam footage. It does shoot and probably the same quality that my GoPro does. Obviously the audio is not the best on there, so I would, you know, probably get like a separate mic just to record the audio, but then connect it to this camera here. Let me see it. Actually, it actually looks good because you guys can see the in front, and then you can also see me. So let me know if you guys want to see the videos in that angle. I'll probably, you know, test it out for you guys, put it out there and see how it does, and, you know, let me obviously get you guys' feedback on it. But yeah, I did connect my dash cam finally, so it should be good to go now. I've had that dash cam for such a long time, guys. You guys probably, you know, but I never connected the SIM card, so it was never recording. It was just there for no, you know, not doing anything. But we're good now. I don't know if you guys can hear those burbles back there. If you guys see, like, I don't even know if my headlights is on. They are. It's just because of the rain. You can't even tell, bro. Boy, a little crazy, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Should we open this a little bit? Maybe that'll help with the sound as well, so you guys can hear it. We're just driving around town, bro. Just, you know, doing our thing. I was at the crib chilling. I wasn't gonna do a video today because rain does scare me a little bit. That's how I lost my front lip. I went out and it was like floods everywhere. They were telling everyone to stay inside. Me, I didn't stay inside, so I ended up going out and I lost my whole front lip. Usually I stay home when it's raining, but today I decided to come out and record a video for you guys because you guys know that I am back and I'm posting consistently again, so I gotta make it happen. And yeah, man, I just gotta treat YouTube like it's the only thing left, bro, because honestly I don't got nothing else, honestly, so besides work. And that's not, you know, that's not something that I can see myself doing for the rest of my life. And I really enjoyed making YouTube videos for you guys and stuff like that. So if I can do this full time, yo, oh my god, bro, I will be the happiest person in the world, you know what I'm saying? Let's go this way. I don't even, honestly guys, I don't even know where I'm at, but for me to do, let's go crazy right here. What the fuck you talking about? Yes, sir. Woohoo! God, I love this freaking car, bro. Oh, you guys hear those burbles back there, though? I really love this car, guys. Oh, damn. I want to open the window a little bit for you guys, but it's raining and all the rain is coming in here. Man, I really enjoy this car, bro. Let's go. Should we go straight, left, right? I don't know. Hold on, let me see. No, let me make sure no car is coming. We don't want to get into some boo-boo, you know. All right, it should be good. All right. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. Guys, I got a question for you guys as well. What is the correct like temperature for your car, like proper, you know, driving temperature, and how do you do it? Because I don't know how to find that. Like, maybe I do. Maybe I can figure it out. But if you guys know like the optimal range or whatever, you know, what your car is supposed to be at before you can like fully go all out, let me know, because I don't really know. I just kind of just go, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess up my car, and some of you guys, you know, clearly know more than me. So if you guys know that, comment it down below, because I really want to know before. Woo! Yes, sir. Well, honestly, guys, your boy Sticks has no idea where he's at right now, but it does seem pretty quiet over here, so which is good. Woohoo! Yes, sir. Man, wow, man, I really love this car, guys. Like, I know I don't drive it as much as I used to. Honestly, guys, I only drive this car, one, when I go out, which I don't go out. Two, when I go to the gym, I go to the gym. And then three, when I make YouTube videos for you guys. Honestly, that's literally the only time I drive this car. Because as you guys saw from the earlier clip, I have another car, but that's just like my work car. And I just use it, you know, for work and stuff like that, and then I just be working and making YouTube videos. So I barely drive this car to like anywhere else, really. Like if I go to the groceries or if I go do some little task around somewhere, I just take the other car. I don't be taking this car. But it is good for this car, of course, because, you know, the miles stay low-ish, even though I am at like 71,000. How do I check that? I'll tell you guys right now, because some of you guys asked me in the comments how many miles I have, and I be, oh, 71,000 miles. Wow, this car is actually pretty amazing for 71,000 miles, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how much longer I will have it. There's just still so much to do to this car that I can't even think about getting rid of it just yet. I gotta do way too many things still, and hopefully with the power of you guys and YouTube, we can make it happen. So also, guys, a big shout out to, hold on, I gotta give my boy a big ass shout out, because hold on, let me pull over. I don't want to do about driving. Give me a sec, guys. All right, hold on. Big shout out to my boy Official Brown Boy, because he commented, "Come on, boy, congrats on 1K, keep him coming." He donated $1.99, so I appreciate you, bro. Just want to give you a big shout out. Thank you so much for that, bro. You know, that goes a long way. And like I said before, guys, anything that I get from YouTube, from you guys, you know what I'm saying, you guys don't have to, of course. You know, I do YouTube because I love it, I enjoy it and stuff like that. But anything that you guys donate or whatever, bro, like anything like that is going straight back into the YouTube channel, bro. It's not gonna be used anywhere else. Like, it's gonna go back into making the videos better for you guys, making the car, you know, better for you guys, to make the videos look better, all of that, man. So if you guys ever donate anything like that, just know it's for a good cause and stuff like that. But I'm not asking you guys to. You guys, you know, I don't want to make you guys feel like you have to, so forget any about that stuff. But just in case you ever do, that's what it's for. But let's go, let's get it. Oh, let me chill, bro. I still need to fix these brakes, bro. These brakes, yo, I posted it on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you go down below, follow me on Instagram, because I'll be posting on there here and there, you know what I'm saying? I was asking because I need to get my brakes, you know, my fluid change and stuff like that. And I was asking where I could do it, because I tried to do it myself and I almost broke my car. Whew. Should avoid these potholes and such, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I gotta do so much, guys, to this car. Oh my god, bro. I don't even know, bro. So many things, bro. So many things. So many things. Oh, is that a bump? Oh. Oh, I stopped, you know, a good amount, so I didn't see that shit. Good thing I stopped like a good amount, but you know, we kind of still hit it. You can't see them with the freaking rain, bro. Damn, that hurt my feelings. What the hell do I have in the back that keeps moving? Oh, my trunk is full of stuff. I forgot. I just keep hearing noises and stuff back there, but I keep forgetting that my trunk is full. Let me take off the little miles thing, because that hurts my feelings. I don't want to see how many miles I have. Let's put the date or something. People are staying inside today, so you know, I don't expect anybody to really be out here like that. So yeah. Wow, that traction is just mwah, man. So good in the rain, bro. In the snow, that's a different story. It's pretty good in the snow too. Obviously you gotta have some winter tires, but it's not the best when you're like up and down hills and stuff like that. That is not good at all, bro, for sure. Yeah, I maxed so many times. I almost maxed so many times going up and down, you know, hills and stuff with this car in the snow. So, but in the rain though, you pretty set in the rain. I think there's a BMW way up there too. All right, guys. I'm gonna just, you know, make this right here, and then pretty much just, you know, just go back home, bro, because, you know, it is getting kind of late and I'm not really trying to be out here too long, just because it is raining a lot. It's gonna be raining all night, and, you know, I gotta find parking still and such. So yeah, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video, man. Enjoy these bangs back there, these burbles, these pops, all that stuff. Thank you guys again so much for 1,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for more content. I got so many cool ideas that I'm working on, that I'm like planning it out though, so that way the video can actually come out all right. I'm not saying I'm not you know, the best YouTube editor out there, but, you know, I do try to make the videos, you know, the best as possible. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you guys are new, comment below any video ideas you guys have. I love you guys so much, man, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.